tax return. So this year you're going to owe $53.44, which puts you in the 22% bracket, but your average tax rate was $14.45. For the state of Virginia, you're going to owe $23.15. Let me walk you through your return. Now, the big thing here, there are no carryovers, so that page is going to be blank, of course. All right, so line by line here, your wages and salaries went up by $3,700. You actually received a state refund of $128, so that's income this year. And your business income went up $9,000, so that side hustle is really starting to pay off there. So good job on running that. And then the other income that you got from your child paying you for the rental for his room, and being that he's special needs, that some of that money is reimbursing you for some of your costs. That amount went up $4,000. So you can see that here. Deductible portion of self-employment tax, since the income went up, the tax went up. Tax went up this year, $646. A couple things I saw on here, something to think about. You don't have a health savings account, something that's considered could save you some money. You don't have a SEP or Simple set up here for your business. Now that it's making some money, maybe start using the money that you're earning on the side there to start financing your retirement. And so even though you have jobs right now, something to think about going forward when you decide to take that side hustle full time is a self-employed health insurance deduction. Thing about that is that it needs to be in the name of the business. So when you're ready to talk about getting that set up, once the side hustle brings in some money, let me know. Also, didn't see anything for an IRA deduction. So that's something you're below the threshold, since you're only making about $95,000. That's something to think about setting up to also start funding your retirement. All right, so moving down to the next page. Your itemized deductions went up by about $6,000, and that's actually the standard this year. I'll walk you through that in a second. The new qualified business income deduction this year is $27.34, so you got a deduction for that. The personal exemptions no longer exist, so that had a negative effect on your deductions of about $12,000. So given that and what's your adjusted gross income, your taxable income went up $19,800, which caused your taxes to go up $2,158. Now, you did get a credit for your younger child, $1,000. That's a child tax credit. And then you had some other taxes here, and that's your self-employment taxes. So your total tax was around $13,000 this year. You had $4,382 withheld from your W-2 jobs, and then you made $3,450 from your estimated tax payments that has been paid. So your total payments are $7,832. You subtract that from the $13,144 your total tax, and you're going to owe $53.44. So that's where you stand as far as your federal taxes. And on your itemized deductions, so this year, your state and local taxes are $7,352. Your home mortgage interest is $85.75, and you had charitable contributions of $295. You add those three things together, you get $16,222. The standard deduction was $24,000, so we went with the bigger of the two numbers to get you the biggest break on your taxes. So that's where the $24,000 came from. Again, thank you for letting me do your return to share. If you have any questions, let me know. I welcome all questions, and if there's anything else I think of to finding ways to save money or taxes, I'm certainly going to let you know. Thank you. Have a great day.